being able to have one of our very first passengers here today, being able to take up in flight, is something that is really an unexpected joy. To be able to connect what was the past to the present, to be able to hear his stories, his reflections, and his connection to the Bellanca, to that day, October 1929, is really special to us.
It kind of brought me back to probably what you remember Hawaii being like way back in the day. I remember you telling me you used to surf out in Waikiki and all that. And it was pointing out how different Hawaii was. Like, oh, that's the Aloha Tower. 1929, that was the tallest building. And then right next to it is downtown now. We're pointing at Waikiki saying, oh, only those 2 hotels are there.
Being able to fly it is just really a blessing for all of us. A constant reminder that we have such a rich history and connection to aviation.
I enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.